Okay, this is the show continuity test of my Glowshift gauge that I can't seem to get work. Here's our meter zeroed out for an ohm test. Here's our wiring going to all our power and the grounds. So let's hook into a ground wire here, just checking continuity. There's to any ground spot on the car. Let's go to a ground spot on the engine. Let's go to the ground spot on the gauge. Appears all the continuity is good. Let's go down to the green post on the gauge. Oops. We'll get to the green wire here. Which is marked and attached to the G post on the sender unit. And if I can get touch here. I don't know if you can see that. We have continuity to the green post, to the green wire. With the ignition switch off, let's turn this to volts. The ignition switch in the off position. We'll go to our ground wire. Excuse me. We'll go from our ground wire to our yellow wire, which is constant, and we have 12 volts. We go to our red wire, which is switched, which I have no ignition on, nothing. Let's turn the ignition switch on. And we'll go back to our connections. Black to the ground, red to the switched. We have juice. Red to the yellow. On position, we have juice. Let's hook the gauge up. Okay. Gauge wire is all attached. Turn the ignition switch on. Select our color, red. You notice that the boost gauge works properly. Color recognition stays at red when I turn the key off. Turn the key on, still color red. You see the switch pegged to 100 and remains at 100 all the time. Now, if I remember when this thing used to work properly, you would turn the ignition on, it would slowly work towards 100, start the ignition, and the gauge would come back down to whatever the pressure was. That's about it for now. Thank you very much for watching.